you're a content creator in Kenya and got paid by a local brand and they withheld 5% tax or you earned Adsense income, this video shows you exactly how you file your tax return correctly and avoid penalties. I have already done a step-by-step guide showing how to file your returns using a KRA withholding certificate. Watch that now and follow along. The link is in the pinned comment.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Now, what if your income came from YouTube AdSense? Google is based in the US, so if your YouTube viewers are from the US, the IRS taxes that portion of your AdSense earnings. This is why you will sometimes see tax withheld on your payouts. If you don't fill the W-8 BEN form, Google will withhold 30% from all your US income. But Kenya has a tax treaty with the US, so when you submit that form, the rate drops, usually to 15%. Example of what you lose without W-8 BEN is this. If 30% of your audience is from the US and you made 100K, Google might deduct 9,000. With W-8 BEN, that reduces to 4,500 or less. That is money you keep. Now, even if the US taxed you, KRA still expects you to declare that income here in Kenya. The good news is you won't pay double tax as long as you claim relief using the Double Taxation Agreement section on iTax. If this process feels confusing or you'd rather not risk getting it wrong, consult a licensed tax expert or reach out to us and we will help you file correctly and stay compliant. Follow us at RM Accounting Solutions for more tax and small businesses finance tips.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.